Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to a Mossology video. And in today's video, I don't think I've ever done, have I? I just need to take a breather because I get so riled up and excited when I'm doing the video, and I just start going crazy, okay? Like the stutters, they come in and all that. But anyways, I don't think I did a video where I was talking on my GoPro cameras. And so I have two GoPro cameras. So I should, hold on for a second. Alright, I'm back. I just had to get the other GoPro camera. But anyways, no, I don't think I did a video where I talked on my GoPro camera. So this is the black Hero9. And then this is the GoPro Max, I think. It's like, and pretty much like what it is. So the overall difference between these two cameras is that this is a 360 camera. And then this is just like a regular front view camera. But it does have a screen. So if you didn't want to get some like all like fancy and stuff like a 360 camera, I actually, no, I think they did come out with a Hero 10. Let me check real quick. I'm just doing a Hero 9 because I think, no, they did come out with a Hero 10 because I think right when I had, yeah, no, they have like another version and stuff. So I think what it is, it's just it's a updated version of this. Like there's like some like minor tweaks and fixes to it and stuff because this camera. So that's one thing for sure. Like if you're like, well, what's the difference between? I think with the Hero 10, it's gonna be a lot more faster than the Hero 9 because when I use the Hero 9, you could tell like the speed differences between this and then the GoPro Max. So yeah, this is my go-to camera. I was just gonna either just let this just sit around or use it at some point in time. Or just give it to a friend or something. Because there's actually one of my friends, he's a photographer, and I'm like, yeah, he probably can do something better with it than I can. So, yeah, I was like, I'll figure out something. But, yeah, like, overall, though, I do like my, the GoPro, Max, because I did take some 3D photos with it. And the photos turned out good. Like, no, they turned out real good and stuff. Like, not 360. I don't know if I did say 3D, I meant to say 360. So corrections, throughout these videos. But no, it definitely does take good 360 videos, I think, and photos. I think because I more so took photos with this. I ain't really do anything video related. But anyways, so around the time when I got this camera, I went to California. So it definitely does take like good. It can take like front view camera. So it's pretty much, think of it as like a phone or something. That well, it kind of in a way. So wait a minute. Actually, you know what? No, phones can kind of I don't because like how the because the cameras are set up. I'm okay. Back to the video because I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, wait a minute, phones can do 360 videos too if they really wanted to and stuff. But we ain't gonna talk. We're gonna talk about that in another video. But anyways, so no, I went to California. I took this camera. And I remember I stood, like, we were out, me and my family, we was out in front of this casino, and I took a photo. And it, like, captured, like, that whole area, like, perfectly fine. So it wasn't like a bad photo or anything. So if you're, and I'm pretty sure there's probably some other YouTubers that have taken, like, 360 videos and photos. So this video here is just explaining to you guys, like, overall, like, if you are looking at the GoPro Max, get it. But if you don't want something fancy, then yeah, Hero 10 or 9, more so the 10 because it's modern, it's newer and stuff, so most likely it's gonna be a lot faster. I don't know if it's gonna be any faster, if it's gonna be roughly the same with a GoPro Max, but it is. I know the GoPro Max it is a lot faster than the GoPro Hero 9. So yeah, I had got that camera. I got it because I was like, I've always wanted a GoPro camera and stuff. And I would have to say though, like the screen is a lot bigger on here and stuff. So I guess if you're wanting something with a much more bigger screen and a better viewing, yeah, then it probably would be best to go get a GoPro Hero 10. And something that also, but no, that's another thing is that, and I don't think it did come, yeah, I don't think there's no like lens protector for this, but there were like some like lens protectors that you can put on and it just clips on like very easily, because yeah, there's like some like you can like check like, right, yeah, so if you see like that like behind like the actual lens itself, there's like a clipping area and stuff, so yeah, it just clips on. And then it's like, so it just protects it and things from any like smudges or any of that stuff or any dirt and all that other stuff. And I'm not going to do no drop test with this because I'm like, I don't have a case and I kind of don't trust the idea of just dropping a $400 camera on the ground and that's, you know, or even like putting it out in the ocean. This thing has yet to do any like real legitimate work. I've taken this to California and I used this to record a gaming video and stuff, and that was about it. So anyways, I'm like, nah, bro, I'm chilling with all that. Maybe with this camera I might do some wild stuff with it, but so with this camera, no, I'm gonna let this one just chill. But overall, yeah, pricings. I think this is $399. You probably could get the GoPro Hero 9 for a cheaper price. Let me check real quick. GoPro Hero 9. Oh, actually, no. These things is still expensive. $399, $369 on Amazon, $349 on the GoPro website. That's the Hero 8. That's $299. And then, oh, it's crazy. So you could get like the GoPro Hero 10 with some accessories, and it's like a bundle with 1 year subscription. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it comes with like a tripod, battery, memory card. It comes with like some like clipper thing. I don't know what that's. I think it's like one of those things you like clip onto something. Okay, so yeah, it's like a little clipping thing. So yeah, it'd probably be best just to get the that like bundle thing rather than going to Best Buy and getting it for $399. Maybe it's like on sale or something where they just haven't updated the website. But no, the thing is still $399. That is crazy. But it does record at 5K quality, and I think the same also with the GoPro Hero 10. Let me see with that camera quality. GoPro have good picture quality, take good pictures. People is really like they being full photographers. So if you're getting something, I guess like no, it's it'll be like a good like little mini photography camera. But that's the thing though, I don't think maybe the 10 might have like a zooming feature and stuff. But so I think like these GoPro cameras, they really don't have a zoom feature. Let me see real quick. Does GoPro have zoom feature? Or at least like recent models like the Hero 10, 9, and 8 cameras have had a zoom feature that works in video and photos. So technically, yes, you can zoom in on. Oh, so you can. What about like the GoPro Max? Probably not the Max. Have a zoom. Yes, you can zoom in on your GoPro camera. Zoom digital. Oh, okay. Can you zoom in on the GoPro Max? Recent models like that. But they don't say it. See, that's the thing I don't like about Google. It's like I'm asking you guys like a direct question. Like all I'm asking the GoPro Max Infinity Zoom Effect. Okay, so there. I think it does. I think it can. I'm not sure, but there's like videos online that can tell you that stuff. So, but anyways, yeah. So if you are debating on which camera you should get between the GoPro Max or the GoPro Hero 9. I would recommend going up to the 10, but if you don't care about that, then yes, you could go right ahead and get the 9. But if you want something fancy, go ahead and get you the GoPro Max because it is in a solid camera. And it does come with a battery. I don't think it came with a memory card. But yeah, you could go and get you one of those like memory cards and stuff. So yeah, if you are wondering that, you will have to buy like if you get like a bundle, I think it comes with a memory card. But if you don't get the bundle, then yeah, if you just getting the camera, it doesn't come with a memory card. It comes with a battery, a case, and yeah, that's about it. Also, that's another thing that I did buy, and I think it's a dope thing to have. But this is a chest mount. So you just go ahead, you can unclip it, or you can put it on like a shirt. And yeah, so let me put this on real quick. So yeah, you can like put this on and things, and if you're thinking about like going out on a run, or if you wanted to just do a video and stuff of you just like walking around or whatever, so yeah, you can very well do that. And then I think, hold on for a second, let me check something real quick. Oh, here it is. Okay. I don't think this thing twists. Yeah, it doesn't twist. So if you want to, yeah. Actually, well, no. So it would probably be best get you the GoPro. So if you wanted to do this, get you the GoPro Max, and then you don't have to like worry about twisting it. And then it has like, you could just, if you want to like record what's in front of you and then record your face, you very well can do that and stuff. So yeah, I'm saying like it probably would be better to get the GoPro Max and stuff. So anyways, and that being said, I will talk to you. Yeah, then it just comes off kind of like a clip-off jacket or something. But anyways, and that being said, I will talk to y'all later. Thank you guys for watching. It's been another Mossology video. Like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and peace.